Updating your personal information on Xoom is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your details are current and accurate. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Xoom website or open the mobile app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, look for the Account Settings or Profile section. This is usually found in the menu or under your account name. Step 3. Select Personal Information. In the Account Settings, find the option labeled Personal Information or Edit Profile. Click on this to view your current details. Step 4. Update your information. Make the necessary changes to your personal information such as your name, address, or phone number. Ensure all entries are accurate and up to date. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your information, look for a Save or Update button. Click this to confirm your changes and ensure they are applied to your account. By following these steps, you can easily keep your personal information on Xoom updated. Regularly checking your details helps maintain the security and accuracy of your account.